Hi everyone, this is Cheryl and welcome to my sewing room. This is a plain ordinary sweatshirt that I've had for a while. I hardly ever wear it, so I decided I'm going to give it a little makeover and kind of give it a springtime look. So let's get started. Here is approximately the center of the neckline. You have several options here. You can either draw a line going right from the center straight down about 3 inches or more if you like, or you can go off to the left or to the right. So I chose to the right. So just place your ruler there and draw a line. Again, mine is about 3 inches long. Then you're going to trim the neckband off and just use scissors, and I'm trimming very, very close to the stitch line that's holding that neckband on. So trim it off all the way around. Sweatshirt fabric does not unravel, so you will not need to worry about this unraveling. So you could leave it like this, or if you have decorative edging stitches on your sewing machine, you could also do that all the way around. I chose to do a really simple decorative edging stitch. It's because I really just like the way it looks. Before I did the edging stitch, I used a pair of scissors and rounded these corners just a little bit. Next, fold the flaps over as far as you want them to go. And using buttons, any kind of decorative button you want to use, I like these really large ones. Put one there and here, but if you like smaller buttons, you can also do smaller ones. At the sides, cut a slit from the bottom up to about a 1/2 inch above this stitch line, and you're doing it on both side seams. Now my sweatshirt does not have a side seam, so I just folded it evenly and then put a mark there so I know where to cut it. And then at the top of the slit on each side, as an option, you could put a decorative button. For me, I didn't want to keep the long sleeves on the sweatshirt, and I love 3/4 length shirts. So I'm just marked where I wanted to cut it off at, and then place your ruler there, and then go ahead and trim it off. And then again, you could do your decorative edging stitch around here. Another suggestion for sleeve length is if you're going to cut the sleeves off, don't cut it off as short as you were going to. Leave about 1 inch to 2 inches, and then you can roll it up. Well, here it is. It's all done, and this was really easy. Very little sewing. Take you an hour to do this project. Now, if you're interested in viewing other clothing projects, go to the green screen at the end of this video and click on the links. If you liked this video, click on thumbs up and click on share to share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red button down there in the lower right-hand portion of your screen. Enter your email address and click on the little bell so that you receive future email notifications about my latest video. I'm Cheryl, and I'm so glad you came to my sewing room. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing!